Hey, welcome back everyone. So we have seen the previous example. The example was this one. So we have seen that we are putting our style on a paragraph tag, then we are using style attribute in a paragraph tag, then we are anchoring a link on our image, not on the text. So here is image source, and we are anchoring a reference to the image. Okay, so here's the anchor tag, and we are sending the user to en.wikipedia.org.wiki slash wiki slash html. So we're sending the user. So how it is working, so how anchor tag is working on an image, and now I'm going to show you. As you can see, my mouse pointer currently is in its natural way. Now as I hover over the image, you can see that there is a tiny link coming on the top bottom left. Okay, on the bottom left it shows the link. Okay, and if I just go and hit the click, you can see that it just open up the Wikipedia page. So that is how this works. This is how it is working. Okay, so the anchor tag here is applied on an image, and it is sending the user to the Wikipedia page. Okay, so that's what anchor tag is doing within image. Okay, so that's the basic working of the anchor tag. Now we are going to download the Sublime editor. Okay, so just go to new tab in any of the browser and search download Sublime Text 3. You can go with Text 3, the latest one. So just hit the first link you got on Google Chrome or any other browser. So it just up the website, or you can just go to any of the versions that you want to use, or you're using operating system. So if you're an OS X user, just hit that, and I am a Linux user, so I just go to the 64-bit or anything. If you're a Windows user, just select Windows or Windows 64-bit. Okay, so I just go up there and download according to it. So it just got downloaded, and I going to install it directly from the tar file. If you're a Linux user, you definitely know how to unzip the tar file or .bz2 file and how to install the things. Okay, so that's how you are going to download the text editor. If you want to download Notepad++, just go download Notepad++. Okay, and just go to their website and just opening, and you can just hit the download button. It just download it to your PC or Mac. If you want a 64-bit version, you can go over there and just hit any of the supporting downloads. So that's it. So these both are awesome text editors. If you want to use any of your choice, you're free to do. Okay, so thanks for watching.